Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Serving you some serious pink purple monochromatic vibes, and I used this Nicka Sugar Plum palette. Yeah, this is what I used. And now I do not know if I have already uploaded the two videos from the similar palettes that I have from Nicka that I bought in like the pack of 3 at $9.99 only. Maybe I already had like the one from the Mocha Mix one. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it in the I button to see that too. So yes, this was the last palette, after Under the Sea. This was the last one and I used it today. And the three palettes, I would say it's a 10 on 10 kind of palette situation. Yes, so let's see how I did this look, because listen, this is not a review to this palette anymore because this was an awesome palette already. So let's just see how I did this look. Let's get into the video. Already up with the day because there's no more wasting time. I am already like 1 hour late with my shooting schedule today because I wasn't feeling too good. I was kind of like unwell today, so, and yeah, I was playing badminton. I did that. So we are up with this palette now. This is like a very pretty palette, like it's plum, sugar plum. I do not own any palette that has so much pink. Honestly, I still remember that I have not done such a pink look ever since like in 2 years. So we are diving into something new. And okay, so we have like only 3 mattes, 1, 2 and 3 matte, and everything else is a shimmer. So definitely we do not have a lot of options when it comes to like crease and everything like that, but we do have a lot of options when it comes to shimmer and stuff. So I think out of the 9 shades we'll try to use at least 6 to 7 so that we know this palette better. Now I have started and my stuff starts falling. Okay, so I am going to take my transition brush. My brushes are breaking. I need a Fevikwik ASAP. And just because we have like 1, 2, 2, 3 shades of violets and purples, I'm going to go in with this shade. This shade looks pretty gory to me. I do not have anything like this. I haven't used a color like this ever. So yep, let us start off. Now I already have used like 2 palettes from the same range of Nicka, and I was very much impressed with them. I kind of loved them. So I already know that this palette is going to be a fantastic one. Yeah, it was just like 2 times and it does have a lot of color. I am going to take like a buffing brush. Now I'm going to go with lighter pink over here, and we are going to buff this whole entire kind of this plum color into the crease. This is like a pink. I am impressed with the pink so bright that I can actually see it popping right away. It is too good. I'm just going to take like another buffing brush and I'm just going to buff everything into the eye socket. Specifically this pink color, because it is like all over the place. Let me give you a swatch of this pink, guys. I will cut the crease. Let me quickly cut the crease, and I'm going to use my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I like using this concealer for cutting the crease because it is a light concealer. Like the color of this concealer is much lighter. Most of the concealers I have, it's like a highlighting concealer for my skin tone, and that actually makes the color pop. We shall move into the last color we have for the mattes, and which is this, the brightest of the pinks. It looks like a very bright pink. As compared to this one, it is like more on the sort of like a bubblegum pink. Actually, bubblegum pink. This is more like a, I don't know what pink this is. Ooh. I have taken it more on a triangular side so that it can peak more. Even when I put like a winged eyeliner, maybe I will take it quite inside the crease. Otherwise, the crease color over here, it just gets hidden beneath the wing that I made. So I'm taking it quite deep. So I think the first shimmer I'll go with is this. This is like a must shimmer because I haven't used like a lot of purples, so I want to go for this purple. So number 1 is this shimmer. Number 2, they are very creamy. Like this is like very creamy shimmer. This is a lighter creamy shimmer. You can see there's like difference of particles in these colors. And this is the 3rd one. This is the 4th one. That's the 5th one. And okay, let's swatch these. This is the first one. Ooh, second, that is nice. Third one is, why is it dead? Was it this one? Let me try that again. Oh, oops, wrong finger. Third one was this, and okay, now we see it. Fourth one is the purple we wanted to use, which is this formula is similar to this formula. These are like two similar formulas, that's why they are quite different. And the last one is this, not the last, the second last one. It is quite similar to this, it just has a lot more purplishness to it. And now we have one last, oh, this is buttery soft, and this is that. Oh, it is blinding. All we are going with this particular color. Oh, my back is paining. The shimmers of these palettes work really beautifully. They just need a little time to finesse, but nonetheless they are very pretty. Now I will move with my sponge brush. I'm loving my sponge brushes lately, and I am going to go with this particular color and covering the lid. I think it's fine. Do a decent wing, hopefully. It's a massive wing as usual. My inability to work with smaller wings is all over me, but does it hurt me? No. Does it hurt you? Not at all. So yeah, it's workable. We are working with it, it's good, it's fine. Right, now let's move into the lower lash line, and I do have like a purple eyeliner. It's a kohl pencil from Ayurveda, and it is in the shade Royal Purple. Let me put it into the eyes. I'm just going to take like only halfway there. I am actually going to take the plum color, the dark plum color that we have on the crease, not on the crease, but as, yeah, on the crease as the transition shade. We are going to take that and then just put that on the lower lash line. This color maybe? No, I think this one. I'll take this one. And we are going to take it on the lower lash line a little bit. There's so much sparkle inside my eyelid. And I'll be taking the pink, both the pinks actually, and I'll just smudge it. Now for the final, like touch up, what we are going to do is, I am taking this very blinding highlighting shade in the inner corner as well as on the brow bone. It's going to go inside my eye. Stick it on the brow bone. It's like very blinding. On the brow bone it gets a little more than required, but just because we don't have anything else, we have to work with it. That is just so good. Let me put mascara, apply falsies, and yeah, let me come back. Guys, this is the final look, and I use lashes from PAC M72 because I do not have other lashes. Also, I'm sure you are seeing like quite a difference in my lip shade now. I do not have like a pink lipstick, I just have some brown. So what I did was I mixed these two pinks, these two matte pinks, a little bit of plum into my already existing lipstick to make it more monochromatic with my whole eye look. And I like it because I haven't done like a monochromatic look in a while, and with the very subtle clothes that I'm wearing, this monochromatic theme, this little dramatic looks really nice. I like it. Yes. So yeah, please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll meet you next video, guys. Bye bye.